8 ways to clean at home without the use of harsh chemicals. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Whether you are an eco-friendly veteran who wants to always rely on all natural solutions, or perhaps you are starting your journey in the eco-friendly cleaning world, it is always a good idea to consider replacing some of the harsh chemicals you use at home. Apart from polluting the very air you breathe, they cost a lot of money and sometimes even prove ineffective. What you can use instead are some perfectly viable natural and eco-friendly options. In the following guide, you will find a few of these available solutions that work well. Let's get started on some of the best DIY solutions that replace the need for heavy-duty cleaners. Number 1. Lemons do a wonderful job at cleaning countertops. Instead of relying on sprays and other such chemicals, why not try cleaning countertops with lemons? Their ingredients make short work of any gunk, and the bonus is that they smell nice. Number 2. Clean the cutting board. Another item you can clean with lemons is the cutting board. To sanitize it well, you have to clean it after every use. To do this the eco-friendly way, sprinkle some salt and rub it with half a lemon. That will remove the gunk and bacteria from food particles. Rinse with water and dry it with a cloth to finish up. Number 3. Freshen up the garbage disposal. If you wish to deodorize and clean the garbage disposal, just fill it with warm water and toss in a lemon. It will remove the gunk and introduce a fresh smell. Number 4. Make the microwave clean again. It is no surprise that the microwave oven often experiences splashes and stains from the various food items you prepare inside. If you find the appliance hard to clean, you shouldn't fret. Soak a sponge in lemon water and put it in the microwave for about a minute on the highest setting. When it is done, leave the sponge inside. This will give the steam coming off of it some time to soften the stuck-on grime. You will then simply use another sponge or a wet cloth to remove the gunk. It is simple and it doesn't involve the use of any heavy chemicals inside the microwave oven. Number 5. Polish stainless steel with orange peels. Another use of citrus fruits lies with oranges and their peels. Save a few of them and polish your stainless steel cookware. Rub with the grain and you will find fingerprints and other grime easily disappear, replaced by the fresh and polished look that stainless steel is supposed to have at all times. Number 6. Clean with orange peels. You can further use orange peels for a natural all-purpose cleaner. Simply put the peels in a jar and fill it with white vinegar. Soak them like that for about a week and then strain them into a bottle. That solution you can then use to clean fridges, microwaves and stovetops. Number 7. Use vinegar on windows and mirrors. To clean windows and mirrors quickly, spray with a little vinegar mix. 1 part water and 1 part vinegar can give you a nice cleaning solution. Wipe down with a clean cloth afterwards. There should be no foggy areas left. Number 8. Remove grease from the carpet. It is a common issue that happens when you have greasy food near carpets. To deal with such a stain, you can use rubbing alcohol on it. Rub 1 part salt and 4 parts rubbing alcohol on the stain, rinse with some water and it should be done. Cleaning with eco-friendly solutions takes a little know-how and a little effort. It is all up to you to adopt these tips and change the way you clean around your house. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.